Christmas is not just a day, it's a feeling, a gentle glow that settles into our hearts. A warmth that spreads like the soft flickers of candlelight in a winter window. This is the season of memories, of stories passed down, and of new stories waiting to be told. Today, I want to share with you a story, a simple story, a Christmas story about hope, kindness, and a magic that lives quietly in ordinary places. The story begins. There was once a small, snowy town tucked between evergreen forests and white mountains. In this town lived a little girl named Clara. She was gentle, thoughtful, and always curious about the world. Clara lived with her grandmother, whom she lovingly called Nana Rose. Their house was small but cozy, filled with wool blankets, pine scented candles, and shelves of homemade crafts. Nana Rose loved to decorate for Christmas not with store bought ornaments but with the things made by hands. Pinecone collected from the forest, trails, ribbons saved from last year's gifts, dried orange slices hung like tiny suns, and soft knitted stockings Nana Rose stitched by the fire. And this year Christmas felt a little different. Time were a bit harder. Money was tight, but still Nana Rose smiled and said, Christmas is not about how much we have, my little stars. It's about how much love we share. Clara listened carefully. She always listened. A mysterious story of a Christmas star. One cold evening, while helped Nana Rose unpack the Christmas decoration, Clara found a small box. The wood was faded, which edged a delicate ribbon tied around it. Clara asked, What is inside? Nana Rose smiled softly. Nana Rose. Ah, that is our family's Christmas star. It has been passed down for generations. Clara opened the box slowly, and inside were a small handcrafted star ornaments made from thin wood and twine. It was not shiny, it was not perfect, but it felt special. Nana Rose told her, Nana Rose, legend says whoever places the stars on the tree must make one Christmas wish, not for themselves, but for someone else. Clara's eyes sparkled with curiously. She asked, and do the wise wishes come true? Nana Rose looked toward the window where snow was drifting softly. If the wish is pure and kind, the star always listens. The village and the lonely shopkeeper. In the same town lived a man named Mr. Whitaker. He owned the oldest shop in the village, a tiny wooden toy shop that smelled of cedar and cinnamon. But fewer people visited now. A big store had opened in the city nearby, and the world was changing. Mr. Whitaker's toys, carved with care and love, sat quietly in the shelves. As the Christmas approaches, Mr. Whitaker seems lonelier than ever. People rushed through their days, and sometimes they forgot to look up and smile. But Clara noticed. Every morning, when she and Nana Rose walked to town, she saw him gently sweeping the snow from his shop doorstep, always alone. Clara felt something in her heart, a quiet tug, a feeling of understanding through she could not explain it. The Christmas wish. Oh, Christmas evening, Nana Rose lifted Clara up so she could reach the top of the Christmas tree. The warm fire glowed, the window frosted with white, and the house smelled of cookies and pine. Clara held the wooden star in her small hands. She closed her eyes and she made her wish. Clara, softly, I wish that no one has to feel lonely this Christmas. She placed a star on the tree. The lights shimmered softly. Nothing magical happened. No flash, no twinkling sound, just quiet, just peace. The miracle that comes in simple ways. The next morning, Christmas Day, joy is meant to be shared, and there was Mr. Whitaker smiling for the first time in very long time. Clara leaned up to him. Mr. Whitaker, your Christmas wish reached me, Mr. Whitaker said. Clara blinked in surprise. Mr. Whitaker leaned down, whispering, sometimes the greatest magic is kindness. It spreads quite like snowflakes, and somehow it always finds its way. Nana Rose wrapped her arm around